Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add location in Google Maps. So let's just get started. Firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Google Maps, and then on the bottom you'll find this option which says contribute. Just go over there, and from here you'll find this option which says add place. Just go over there, and then over here you have to fill something with its loading. May take some time guys, but have some patience. Okay, it's taking a lot I guess, but let me just do it again. Contribute, then add place. Oh my god. Once you are over here, what you need to do is you have to type in the details of the place, your place name, category, which category does it falls on, food and drinks or anything, and address and location. You have to like edit in the map and then just submit it, and then it will be okay. And that's how you add a location in Google Maps. So that's all guys. Thank you for watching our video guys. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So if you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any query, just let me know in the comment section guys, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.